It's not every day that you feel like flaunting a bright lip. There are times when you want to go unnatural and just swipe on a light gloss or lip balm. Unfortunately, dark lips show prominently through a light lip gloss or a tinted lip balm, and this alone can bring your pout game down drastically. So, you end up wearing lipstick all day, every day, right? Well, not anymore. If discoloration on the lips is your biggest beauty woo, then here are an amazing scrub home remedy to the rescue. All you need to do is run to your kitchen, gather some natural ingredients, and prepare your own lip scrub. Beetroot is one of the most inexpensive home remedies to lighten dark lips. Well, we have here 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. First, wash the beetroot well and peel it. Grate it over a muslin cloth and extract fresh juice from it, ensuring that it drops into a bowl below. Just like your mouth, this muslin cloth will stain too, so do wash it immediately. Now, mix all the ingredients well. Your lip scrub cam mask is ready. Just take some of this scrub cam pack and apply it gently on your lips. Scrub with it for around 20 to 30 seconds and then keep it on for another minute. After a minute, remove the product with the help of a soft cloth. You can repeat the process every day. You can store it in a container and use it as and when necessary. You may also follow up with a lip balm before going to bed if your lips tend to become super dry. Beetroot removes pigmentation, makes lips pink, nourishes the lips. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer, prevents the skin from getting cracked, makes lips glow with health, and heals and repairs damage, keeps the lips protected from damage and dryness. Vaseline keeps the lips well moistured, prevents lips from drying, and keeps lips protected. Sugar removes dead skin cells and dry patches and acts as a gentle exfoliator. To use beetroot for pink lips, here's another winning recipe. Combine 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice with an equal quantity of honey. Wet your lips with a piece of cotton and massage this liquid over your lips. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, you will notice your lips turning soft and pinkish. Continue this for a week to get naturally pink lips. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.